Today I took 649 pictures. Hello and welcome back to Cameras and Coffee. Just want to start off this video by saying a huge thank you to all the new subscribers. Your support really means a lot, and it helps me to know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. So thank you, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button because it really does help. Back to today's video. Some of you may know that for the past 4 years I've lived in the now very famous city of Wuhan in China. Due to the coronavirus situation, I had to evacuate, and I've been in the UK now for about 6 months. During this time I've been doing various things, starting this YouTube channel, and also I've been cleaning my computer, and I found some backups of projects from the past. I found something I made in 2017 on the streets of Wuhan. If you recently watched my latest Hong Kong video, there's a link in the description below. You'll know that part of that video is edited to look like a sort of time-lapse, hyperlapse effect with photography. There's just something magical about the moving image, that stop motion effect, which really looks great on a screen. I just don't know why I like it so much, but I really do. So without further ado, I present to you Walking Through Wuhan. Next week I'm going to be doing some film photography, so if you're into that, make sure you subscribe because it's going to be a good one. Quick side note, if you are interested in seeing what happened in Wuhan on that fateful lockdown day in January, then I've left a link in the description below for that video too. Thanks again, see you soon and stay safe.